Welcome to our tour of a small house that captures the essence of tropical living with a lush, vibrant yard. Designed with nature in mind, this home embraces simplicity while maximizing outdoor beauty. Throughout this tour, we'll explore how each part of the house harmonizes with its tropical surroundings, creating an inviting and refreshing atmosphere. Join us as we explore how this compact home transforms simplicity into elegance, from the warm exterior to the cozy interiors. Whether you're inspired by tropical gardens, minimalist interiors, or outdoor living, this house has something that brings nature to life in a small, yet perfect way. The exterior of this small house embraces a natural palette with earthy tones and textural elements that connect with the lush yard around it. Surrounded by tall palms, flowering shrubs, and green vines, the house appears as a harmonious part of its environment. The wooden facade adds warmth, while large windows capture glimpses of greenery from every angle, setting the tone for what lies within. A pathway of stone slabs winds through the lush lawn, inviting visitors to take a slow walk up to the entrance. This thoughtful blend of greenery and rustic elements creates a welcoming atmosphere that combines beauty with a calming, tropical vibe, making it feel as though the house is a natural extension of the landscape. Entering this home feels like stepping into a sanctuary. The entrance is framed by tall potted plants and delicate vines cascading down wooden trellises, infusing the space with life and color. A simple wooden door, adorned with subtle carvings, reflects the tropical design language, making a warm first impression as it opens into a serene living area. The entryway is purposefully understated, with natural stone flooring that seamlessly connects the indoors with the lush outdoors. Small touches, like bamboo accents and woven textures, subtly introduce tropical themes, drawing visitors in with an organic, effortless charm. The living room is a testament to minimalist design blended with tropical aesthetics. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows invite sunlight to fill the space, providing constant views of the green garden outside. Furnished with light, neutral-colored sofas and soft textures, the room feels airy, comfortable, and open, encouraging relaxation in an uncluttered environment. 。 Natural materials take center stage, with a bamboo coffee table and wooden accents adding warmth and depth to the living space. The result is a tranquil atmosphere where the line between indoor and outdoor blurs, allowing the lush yard to be a part of the everyday living experience. Inside, the house continues with a minimalist approach that favors open spaces and seamless flow between areas. Light-colored walls and neutral tones create a sense of continuity, while understated furniture pieces keep the focus on natural textures and greenery. It's a space that breathes, free from excess decoration but filled with character from the natural elements used throughout. Soft lighting and strategically placed greenery add subtle warmth and ambience, while bamboo blinds offer gentle control over light and privacy. Each room has been thoughtfully designed to be open and inviting, creating an atmosphere that balances simplicity with elegance. In the kitchen, functionality meets tropical aesthetics in a seamless and stylish way. With open shelving, the kitchen embraces simplicity, allowing for easy access while adding to the open, airy feel of the home. Wooden cabinets and countertops bring warmth, while the minimalist layout ensures there's enough room to prepare meals without feeling cramped. A large window above the sink overlooks the lush yard, inviting the outside in. Plants in small pots dot the shelves, adding fresh green accents. This connection with nature enhances the culinary experience, transforming the kitchen into a refreshing and inspiring space to create meals. The dining room is an intimate space that's designed to bring people together. Placed near a large window, the table has an unobstructed view of the tropical garden, adding a touch of serenity to every meal. The wooden dining table and simple chairs reflect a tropical farmhouse style, adding a cozy yet sophisticated feel to the room. A soft pendant light hangs above, providing a warm glow in the evenings, while the natural sunlight during the day fills the room with a vibrant, fresh ambience. Surrounded by lush views, dining here feels like a retreat, an escape into nature while still enjoying the comforts of home. The outdoor space is where this home's tropical charm truly comes alive. Pathways meander through a mix of flowering plants and dense green foliage, making every corner of the yard feel like a hidden paradise. A small seating nook is nestled among tall palms, inviting residents to sit back, relax, and soak in the peaceful surroundings. A harmonious blend of textures and colors makes this tropical yard feel alive and vibrant, perfectly suited for those who love nature and tranquility. Whether it's for meditation, reading, or casual gatherings, this outdoor area provides an immersive experience that highlights the beauty of tropical living. The bedroom is a sanctuary that embraces simplicity and calm. Large windows provide stunning views of the surrounding greenery, bringing a touch of nature to this restful space. The decor is minimal, with soft colors and light textures that keep the room bright and airy, making it an ideal retreat for relaxation. Wooden accents and small potted plants add natural warmth, while white linens keep the space fresh and inviting. This connection to nature, coupled with minimalistic decor, transforms the bedroom into a peaceful haven, blending beauty and comfort effortlessly. The bathroom is a serene retreat that combines simplicity with earthy materials. Natural stone tiles line the shower, and a large window overlooks the lush greenery, creating a spa-like experience within this compact space. The soft tones and organic elements bring an earthy charm, turning daily routines into a refreshing escape. With a wooden vanity and minimal decor, the bathroom's design feels warm and uncluttered. This connection to nature, even within a small space, adds a calming, peaceful vibe, showing how simplicity and natural beauty can go hand in hand. The lounge area is an inviting space that encourages relaxation and social gatherings. Light seating, accented with tropical-inspired cushions, creates a comfortable spot to unwind. Large windows reveal the surrounding garden, while soft rugs and throws add warmth, making this a cozy corner for reading, socializing, or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Touches of greenery, woven decor, and natural textures give this area a unique charm, blending tropical elements with minimalism. This space, like the rest of the house, prioritizes relaxation and connection with the outdoors. The outdoor dining area is the perfect place to enjoy meals surrounded by nature. A wooden table sits under a simple pergola, adorned with hanging plants and soft lighting, which adds a magical glow for evening gatherings. With its close proximity to the tropical yard, dining here feels both rustic and luxurious, embracing the best of outdoor living. During the day, natural light floods the space, while the evening ambience transforms it into a cozy, intimate setting. The sounds of nature, the lush surroundings, and the open air make dining here a refreshing experience that truly captures the essence of tropical living. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a small house with a lush tropical yard. This home proves that even within a compact space, nature can be embraced in a beautiful and harmonious way. By integrating greenery, natural textures, and simple design, this house becomes not only a place to live but also a retreat to escape, refresh, and connect with the beauty of the outdoors. We hope this tour inspires you to bring a bit of nature into your own home. Please like, share, and subscribe for more house design inspiration. Until next time, may your home be a sanctuary where nature and comfort come together in perfect harmony.